I was basically told to shut down. Don't do anything, sleep, don't go in the lights, don't see friends. It was hard being pulled out of school as a 16-year-old girl who's in grade 10 and all her friends are at school doing normal 16-year-old things. It's really hard to be out of that, and I think that as time went on, people do forget to check in on you, and it's very hard feeling like you're left out. In the first week, you don't really realize what's to come, and I felt that I really didn't have many friends because I wasn't seeing them on a daily basis. There's many things that you can think of in your life that are really, really great, but you don't feel the joy in that. And I think that's when I realized that this has really impacted my mental health. A concussion becomes managing your symptoms rather than the symptoms going away. I would always make excuses. I would say, oh no, I'm just bad day, whatever. But when bad days turn into weeks, months, you kind of sit back and you think, okay, what's going on here? You can wake up one day and feel pretty good and go about your day, and some days you wake up and it's like takes everything out of you to even get out of bed. I've had experiences where people say to me, okay, well, just don't worry, or just cheer up, or just don't be sad. And it's not exactly how it works. I think I've gotten better lately at being more transparent about how I'm feeling and allowing others to help me. For a long time, I didn't want them to help me. I wanted to do it all on my own. I ended up seeking help professionally with a therapist and a psychologist, and it's not something I talk about openly, honestly, and I have a hard time, and I hate going. I'll be honest, I hate going, but I know that it will help me. Since starting university, I've met some really, really good friends and made some true friendships, and that has been so beneficial for my mental health, feeling like I have peers my own age that support me and are willing to talk about anything or be there on my bad days. I think if I were to give someone advice that's going through the same thing that I've experienced, I would tell them to take it seriously from the start. Initially, when the injury happens, it is serious and you need to look after yourself. So do the things that you're supposed to do and don't take it lightly. Take it seriously and know that it is your brain and you want to deal with it properly.